Legs straightened up, palms facing up. We are relaxing in Shavasana, Anandasana. Arms closer to your thighs. And the whole process, I'm very sure I'm going to enjoy. Give that signal to that command to the subconscious mind that yes, मैं इसका आनंद अनुभव कर रहा हूं और तभी हम शवासन को आनंद आसन में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. And when I'm going to enjoy all that, I'm enjoying the relaxation of the feet from toes till the heels. With completeness, with satisfaction, giving thanks to them that they are carrying my body weight all through the day. I'm relaxing with joy, the shin bone and the calf muscles. It's the pleasure in mind when I thank the kneecaps. They are the ones which is making me move from place one to the other. With that gratitude and thankfulness, I'm relaxing my thighs, the biggest bone in the complete body, the thigh bone, and the locomotive action which happens nicely because of the hip joints. So I'm thanking them also with joy, with peace, and with that completeness in the heart. Let me thank and relax each and every joint in the hip socket. There are multiple bones, multiple muscles, many body cells. They're supporting my body when I'm standing, when I'm sleeping, and hence I'm with आनंद के साथ मैं हिप जॉइंट्स को रिलैक्स कर रहा हूँ, de-stress कर रहा हूँ. I'm thanking for all the youthfulness which I have, and I'm thanking that vertebra right from tailbone till the brain stem, the excellent body posture, the way I carry around my complete self. The most important part of all that is the vertebra. With all 33 vertebrae, I'm thankful to them. I'm de-stressing them. I'm relaxing them. I'm rejuvenating them. It's time to say thanks to the stomach, right from lower abdomen, with all the organs inside. All of them are joyful. The 24/7 activity which happens inside, creation of juices, absorption of vital elements from the food, and whatever is not required by the body, converting that into the waste and throwing away from the body. All that activity happens through the stomach and the digestion system. With joy, with peace, with complete happiness, let me relax my lungs, and the beautiful heart, which is the center of emotions, which is the pump in the body, which is circulating blood flow with correct pressure all through the body systems. I am thankful to it. I am de-stressing it. De-stressing my shoulders, my gratefulness to the shoulders which carry the body, which carry the responsibilities, but I am not overburdened with the responsibilities. I am not overdoing what I am supposed to do. Karmendriya, two arms, right from the shoulder till the fingers. Everything, I am so much thankful. I am relaxing them. Releasing stress of the neck. Excellent joint between the heart and the head, which supports my beautiful face. I'm appreciating my beauty. I'm appreciating all that is exposed to the world through my face, all the expressions, all the feelings, and the body language which starts at the face. With joy, with happiness, I'm recharging all the body cells there. And let me be thankful to the rational brain, the brain of emotions and creativity. At the same time, let me be thankful to the logical brain, the calculative brain, and I'm balancing that emotions and the business both put together through the complete crown. Right from toe to top, everything is relaxed, full of joy, full of peace, and every body cell has received my message that I am thankful to each one of you. I am thankful to my mind, which is generating very good positive vibrations, positive vibes. And with that positivity, I am interacting with the world and with my inner self as well. With this relaxation and recharging, let me come back with complete positivity to the world by giving that Chetana in the toes up to the kneecaps. Give the good stretch all through. Move the legs from hip socket right to left, left to right. Experience the hip sockets getting recharged to its full capacity. Expanding stomach and that way energizing the spinal cord and the vertebrae, each one of them. Fill up the lungs with the thoracic breath. Very nice recharging of all the trachea in the lungs. Everything is coming to life and a very positive life. Rotate the shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise. Both the arms up from the fingers up to the shoulders. Everything is getting stretched and recharged. Moving next side to side. giving that compression to the complete facial muscles, both the jaws, tongue, cheeks, eyes, eyebrows, temple, ears, everything. And giving a complete positive charge with all the happiness, with all the joy, with all the peace to the crown. I'm ready for the day. I'm ready for all my responsibilities to be discharged with happiness, with contentment. Hold your legs. I'm taking my left hand above the shoulders, turning to left, and there till such time my aorta gets filled up with the positive emotions and the oxygenated blood. And very slowly taking support of the right hand, I'm sitting back.